Hello everyone, how are you today? You will get better with this great painting. We will start today's tutorial with the roof of this beautiful house. Don't forget to subscribe before everything. Here we have an attic room with a small circular window. We need two circles. The smaller one is placed inside the bigger one. We also need a positive shape for the fences. And this way we have a beautiful window. There are two chimneys on the roof. It looks like a real house. We want stripe design for the roof. Now it's time to draw the walls. Here is a bedroom. We need a lamp to light it. A painting of nature, a bed, and a table next to the bed. What kind of furniture do you have in your room? You can even paint them. Well, now we go to the bathroom. First, we will paint the curtain, then the top and the rest. Draw the mirror in any shape you like, a square or circle, it doesn't matter. There is a small painting on the wall, and next to it is a larger modern painting. Paint a soft and comfortable sofa so that you can sit on it comfortably and watch the tutorials on my channel. There is a lampshade standing next to the library. This room is full of books. I love novel books. How about you? Pause the video wherever you think you need and completed your drawing so that we can continue together. Red.
Hickory dickory dock, the mouse ran up the clock. The clock struck one, the mouse ran down. Hickory dickory dock, tick tock, tick tock. Hickory dickory dock, the bird looked at the clock. The clock struck two, away she flew. Hickory dickory dock, tick tock, tick tock. Hickory dickory dock, the dog barked at the clock. The clock struck three, fiddly-dee.
Orange.
Hickory dickory dock, tick tock, tick tock. Hickory dickory dock, the bear sat by the clock. The clock struck four, he ran out the door. Hickory
Yellow.
dickory dock, tick tock, tick tock. Hickory dickory dock, the bee buzzed round the clock. The clock struck five, she went to her house.
Blue.
Hickory dickory dock, tick tock, tick tock. Hickory dickory dock, the hen pecked at the clock. The clock struck six, oh fiddle-sticks. Hickory dickory dock, tick tock, tick tock. Hickory dickory dock, tick tock, tick tock. Hickory dickory dock, tick tock, tick tock. Hickory dickory dock.
Orange. Red.
Humpty Dumpty sat on a wall. Humpty
Green.
Dumpty had a great fall.
Yellow.
All the king's horses
Blue.
and all the king's men couldn't put Humpty together again. Humpty Dumpty sat on a wall. Humpty Dumpty had a great fall. All the king's horses and all the king's men couldn't put Humpty together Humpty Dumpty sat on a wall. Humpty Dumpty had a great fall. All the king's horses and all the king's men couldn't put Humpty together Humpty Dumpty sat on a wall.
Green. Thank you to all of you who stayed until the end of this video. I hope you liked this tutorial. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and share this video with your friends.